Introduction to Physics. Meaning of physics. The advantage of physics or studying physics. The main goal of studying physics. Relationship of physics and other sciences. Branch of physics. In number one, we discuss about meaning of physics. Physics is a natural science that deals with nature and properties of matter and energy and their interactions. Generally, science is divided into great and big branches that are natural science and social science. In social science, have civics, social studies, and other history, geography, and natural science has physics, chemistry, biology, and so on. So physics is natural science that deals with the nature of matter or nature and properties of matter and energy and their interactions. Second one, the advantage of studying physics. To understand the working principles and laws of nature, to do activities or experiments, to formulate and to check theories, to describe some applications of physics in your day-to-day life, to understand the cause and effect of natural phenomena, to solve real-life problems. We get all this and many more advantages by studying physics. Third one, the main goal of studying physics is to gain a better understanding of the world around you or around us and the things in it. Relationship of physics to other sciences. Physics overlaps with chemistry, biology, astronomy, geography, and many more. Examples: astrophysics, physical chemistry, or known as physical science, biophysics, geophysics, and so on. The last one is branch of physics. Physics is divided into different branches. Some of them are given in this table. Mechanics deals or studies motion of a physical body. Optics is study production, transmission, and other properties of light. It studies light. Electricity and magnetism studies charged bodies in motion and at rest, and the relationship between magnetic and electric properties of bodies. Astrophysics deals with celestial bodies, example, stars, planets, etc. Nuclear physics deals with the interaction in the atomic nuclear. And it is this for now. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give thumbs up.